So today we're going to learn how to reverse a string. First of all, you need to open up the VS Code and create an index.html file. I actually created. So you need to click on Shift exclamation mark and create this docs. And this is a DOM element, document object model. So we're going to change the name. Shortly I'm going to write JavaScript. Then you need to write script file for JavaScript. Okay, now we're gonna, our task, our main goal is converting, let's say we have string, any kind of string, let's say hello. We need to convert hello to the, let's say reverse hello to the hello. So this is actually our task. So we need to first of all create string. Shortly, I'm gonna create, let's say, hello. And then later on, let's check if we can see string or not. So you need to showcase a string on the console log. I'm gonna come to index.html folder. So, and look at inspect. And in inspect, enter the console. Let's refresh. Okay. So you can see hello. Hello is in there. No, it's not important there. Okay. Now we're gonna have reversed. I'm gonna create an reversed. So I have string. So if I want to, the step will be that I will write string and then I will convert it to the array by using split. Okay, so I'm gonna use it, split. Okay, I'm gonna write reversed here so you can see steps. When I split the string, you can see HLELLO. Now I need to create. All right, reversed, reverse, and actually that's reverse, OLLEH. So later on, I'm gonna do the last step. So I have an array and I converted this array into the, I reversed it. And now I'm gonna add join. Join is here to convert array into the string. As you see, I have hello there. Okay, so if you want to show it on this folder on the page, so you can create an h1 header, and we're gonna come here and make it h1, make a query selector, document query selector, h1, and h1 inner HTML, we call it reversed. So by doing so, I can show hello or only h on the screen. So that's basically how to reverse a string. There are several ways, but that's the one of the simplest way and also beginner friendly way you can use and apply. So good day for today.